It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with one more question series, question of the day 38, right, where we will be focusing more on geometry and mensuration and permutations and combinations. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and these are my scores in different examinations and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? So you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation so that you will get the best solutions to overcome that. One more best advantage is you will be getting personalized test analysis, right? Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified and those mistakes are rectified. So automatically your score will be boosted. So this will be a greatest advantage to the student community because most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to apply the things there. We are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful. One more advantage when you choose iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes so that you can complete all your software courses, right? For core branch students, this will be a very good backup for their career. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. So these are the features of Plus and Iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest. But Aptitude today we have an incredible offer there. So it is not 75, it is less than 75, right? You will be normally you will be getting 10% discount, but offer ends today, June 30th, right? You will, whomsoever subscribe by today 11:59 p.m. you will be getting 20% discount when you use my code NLN10 on all the subscriptions on Unacademy, not only GATE and ESE. Right, so you will get my guidance if you use my referral code and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, it does finally to me. Yes, and these are the prices for Plus and Iconic, and these are the prices for Iconic, right? So see here, apart from the features what I have explained you in the previous slides, you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? So avail this and you will be getting flat 20% discount on these prices exclusively up to today 11:59 p.m. when you use my code NLN10. And again, you can buy only printed notes, right, prepared by topmost educators in India. Only you will be getting 20% discount on the price when you use my code NLN10. Yes. Shall we start the questions there? Yes. Now this is the question I will be solving. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for you for this to try this. Try this. Let's see how many can solve this. It's a question based on permutations and combinations. 2 minutes. So observe the question there. What is the concept that you have to use? Thirty seconds more. Any answers for this? Anshita, right? What about my regular students in the class? Chalo, I'll solve it, right? There are 7 letters and corresponding 7 addressed envelopes. Okay, so the correct letter has to go into correct envelope. Everybody know about this. All the letters are placed randomly into the envelope, one in each envelope it seems. In how many ways can exactly 2 letters be placed in their corresponding envelopes it seems? Are normally your 7 letters has to go into 7 correct envelopes only, but you are asked to find out a condition where only 2 envelopes have gone into correct envelopes it seems. So means out of 7 letters, only 2 have gone into correct envelopes it seems. So out of 7, only 2 have gone into the correct envelopes. Now what about the remaining? This 5 have gone into wrong envelopes. Am I right or wrong? So is this nothing but called dearrangement, wrong arrangement? Can I write down this as D5? So what is the formula for D5? Anybody? Yes, so dn is equal to, I have explained you clearly in our permutations class, n factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial, so on up to 1 by n factorial, depends upon positive, negative, depends upon the number here. Now what is the number here? D5. So I'll write down D5. D5 is equal to 5 factorial into, so closely observe there, 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial. Is this the formula there? Yes, perfectly. Yes, Samiksha, very good. Excellent answer here. So I'll take the LCM there. LCM is 5 factorial. And of course, these two gets cancelled off. 924. Yeah, yes, 924 is the answer. So 5 factorial is the 5 factorial means 120 na. 120, this is 2. So this will be 60. 120 by 6 will be 20. 120 by 24 will be how much? Is it 5? 24 5s are 5 4s are 20. 1 second, check it there. 120 by 24 is nothing but 5. Very good, we are right. Plus 5, and automatically what will be this? Minus 1. So into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial gets cancelled off. 60 minus 20 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 minus 1 will be 44. And everybody knows 7C2 is nothing but 21. Am I right or wrong? 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. 7 into 6, 42. Is it 21? Yes. So this is combinedly one case only, ma. So I have to multiply this. 21 into 44. Number ends with 4 and there is only one option, and your option is nothing but equal to 924. Will you accept with me regarding this? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Let's go to the next question there. So yes, it is a mensuration based question regarding cones. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Try this. So yesterday's our sessions were so blockbuster here. We got 1000 views immediately, right? So happy regarding that. Where is Anshita today? Harshavardhan, Datta. A conical vessel with its vertex at the bottom. A conical vessel with its vertex at the bottom has a height of 24 units and a volume of 216 liters. What will be the volume of the water in it? If water is filled to a height of 8 units, water is filled to a height of 12 units, it is turned upside down and water is filled to a height of 8 units, it is turned upside down and the water is filled to a height of 12 units is the question asked, it seems. 4 questions are there, yeah. So let's see how many can answer these 4 questions. First of all, answer A, then you can easily crack B, C, D. So see, I'll explain with formula and I'll explain without formula also, right? You can choose your own method based upon your comfortableness. The answer with its vertex at the bottom, it seems. So here I'll draw the cone there. First of all, with the vertex at the bottom, it's okay. So the cone will be like this. Now this will be your height of the cone. Will you accept with me? Yes. This will be your radius of the cone. Cone is a 3D object. So this is your radius of the cone. This is your height of the cone. Now what will you call this? This is called slant height of the cone. So 3 dimensions of a cone. Slant height of a cone. Slant height is represented as L. Okay, fine. Let's come to the question there. A conical vessel with a height is given as 24 units it seems, and a volume of 216 liters. What will be the volume of water in it if water is filled to a height of 8 units it seems? First of all, we'll find out the radius. We know the volume formula now. What will be the volume formula of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Everybody know about this. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is nothing but 216 liters. So 1 by 3 into, so 22 by 7 into pi value is into r square into height is given as 24. So for our calculative convenience, as we don't have calci, 22 by 21, as it is very nearby numbers, I'll cancel it off. So 24 by, this is 6 cube. 24 is how much, ma'am? 6 into 4. So 36 by 4, r square value will be 9. Am I right or wrong? 6 cube, 6 into 4, 6 square will be left over, 4, 36 by 4, 9. So your r value will be 3. If you want to calculate exactly, it will be some 2.93 or something. So I'll take down my r value as 3. I got my r value there. See here, the first question. Water is filled up to a height of 8 units it seems. Let us suppose take, I will, this is up to height of 8. If you closely observe there, this is height of 8 now. So let us cut the cone. We will chop off the cone there. What are the parts left over? You closely observe that this will be the upper part. This will be the upper part. So I'll write down here. This will be the upper part. How many of you can identify this? Now, what is this upper part called? Can anybody say in the comment section box? This is called frustrum. This is your lower part. This is your lower part, and this lower part has a height of how much? 8 units. And you don't know about the radius, you have to find out this. Now see, this is 8 units. Now we don't know about the frustrum formula. Everybody know this is frustrum. Now closely observe there. We need not use any formulas or find out radius again. Sir, I don't know the radius of this part of the cone na, so how will you find out the answer there? So dekho dhyan se, I'll explain you. Let us suppose take, you have chopped off this cone at 8 units. So total height is 24 units. Out of this total height 24 units, 8 units is nothing but how much part of the cone? Can anybody say, is it 1/3 part? Yes, it is 1/3 part. This is only height. Now you are asked to find out volume of this cone. Volume matlab, what will be the units there? Is it cubic units? Yes, it is cubic units. So what I will do is, I will multiply this 1 by 3 into cube times. That will be the volume there. So automatically you closely observe there, 1 by 27th part of the whole volume. 1 by 27th part of the whole volume will be the volume of this cone. Whole volume is automatically you have calculated, which is nothing but, it is given in the question itself, 216 by 27. So can anybody say the answer there? This is 6 cube by 3 cube. Am I right or wrong? So 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So what will be the answer there? Is it 8? Calculate this, 216 by 27. Is it 8 liters? I mean 8 liters. Is this your answer there? Yes, this is your answer. How many of you got the answer there? So did I use any mathematics, any formula to calculate this? Now in geometry and mensuration, proportions, that's what our basic ratios, variations and proportions will be damn helpful for solving the questions here. This is one such greatest advantage, right? So using proportionate basis, we can solve many questions like this. So I'll solve the remaining questions also. I'll take one, I have a slide also. Let's come to the next one. Water is filled up to a height of 12 units it seems. Let us suppose take, आपने 12 units तक chop किया. So is it exactly half? Total height of the cone is 24. You have chopped, and now your present cone height is 12. It is nothing but 1 by 2. Is this nothing but height? Now I have to multiply with cube to make it as volume. 1 by 8 of the whole cube there. 216. So closely observe there, 8 ones are 8 twos are 27. So 27 liters will be filled in this. Up to here it is everything fine. Now point is it is turned upside down, it seems. C point. So I'll write down. It is turned upside down means cone is kept like this. Cone is kept like this. It is turned upside down. Done. Now this is the height of the cone. I'll write down like this. Now this is radius of the cone. Now what happened? Observe the cone. You have turned upside down and water is filled up to a height of 8 units. Now water is filled up to a height of 8 units. This is height. Sir, I don't know the Frustum formula. You have explained me only cone formulas. Then how can I solve this part? Now close. If this is 8, what will be this? This will be 16 because total is 24 now. Now find out this cone part volume. I know this very well. 16 by 24 will be how much, ma? 4 4s are 4 6s are. Am I right or wrong? So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So this part is 2/3 of the whole volume of the cone. So I have to find out the volume there. 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 by 3 whole cube into 216 will be the value there. So 8 into 216 divided by 27. Now already you have calculated this 1/3 wala, right? Is it 8 liters? 27 means 8. 8 8s are 64 liters. Now you closely observe there. In this part, 64 liters will be filled there. Now closely observe there. Total cone volume is 216 liters. Now what will be the remaining part there? That will be your answer there. So see, I didn't use any Frustum formulas. You need not. There is no need of use of Frustum formulas to find out the answer there. So anybody got the option there? 152 liters. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. So I'll solve the next question, right? D. It is turned upside down and water is filled up to a height of 12 units. Now you closely observe there. It is 12 units, matlab exactly half. Already you have calculated the cone part 27 liters. So I can do this calculation very easily. So total volume of the cone is 216 liters. In those 12 parts height will be 20. Is it 27 liters? So that will be the remaining answer there. 216 minus 27, is it 189? Yes, it is 189. So your answer will be 189 liters. Done. So see here, did I use any formula there? With simple proportionate techniques, I have solved each and every question there. How many of you got the logic there? Will you solve this? Will you solve similar type of question? I'll give you 2 minutes. Come to the next one. Yes, this is the question there. Solve A. Remaining things I will solve it. Same pattern. There is no need of using any formula. A little bit extend this so that you can observe the things there. 45 seconds more. A cone has a base radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter is cut parallel to the base to form a frustrum or truncated cone. If the cut is made, seconds more. Nobody. See here, same formula. So I draw the cone there. This is a cone. There are some more points to be extracted, ma. So how many of you can understand this? Let's see. This is a cone. This is height of the cone, radius of the cone, and this is slant height. Slant height, I took it as L, na? Am I right? So did I took it as L? Yes, I took it as L. So I'll take L directly here. Now observe the question there. Base radius 7, it seems. R value is 7. Height of 24, it seems. Height of 24 is cut parallel to the base to form a frustrum and truncated cone. Everybody know when cone is chopped off, a frustrum is formed and the remaining part will be cone. If the cut is made at a distance of 6 centimeter from the vertex part is this, from the distance of 6 centimeter here. Now automatically this height will be 6 and this height will be 18. Find the volume of the frustrum formed. First of all, you should know the total volume now. So total volume you have to find out with formula only. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's find out this 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is nothing but 7 into 749. Your height value is 24. Automatically 7 ones are 7 sevens are 3 ones are 3 eights are 7 eights are 56. 56 into 22 will be how much? 1232. So 1232 cubic units, centimeters cube, right? Everything is given as centimeter na centimeter cube. Now, enough. Up to here, if you can find out the answer, remaining things are very, very easy. Now see here, you are asked to find out this part of the cone. This part of the cone is nothing but how much of the total part. So out of 24 units, this is, find the volume of the frustrum formed, it seems. Okay, fine, no issues, no issues. We can find out. How much is this? 6 by 24 is nothing but equal to 1/4. I have to find out the volume there. So 1 by 4 whole cube into 1232. What will be the value there? Calculate this and let me know. 1232 divided by 16 divided by 4. It is 19.25 centimeter cube. Now this part value is 19.25. So subtract these two, then you will get the frustrum volume there. 1232 minus 19.25 is nothing but, so 1212.75 centimeter cube is nothing but the volume of the frustrum. This is the volume of the frustrum. So how many of you got the idea there? With proportionate basis, remaining parts you can calculate it very, very easily, right? Nobody will stop you. Let's come to the next question. B. At a distance of 4 centimeter from the base it seems, find the ratio of the volumes of the two parts formed. Ab dekho, I'll write on reading. From the base, this is base ma. When you, so from the base 4 centimeters it seems. Now this will be 4, right, and this will be 20. Am I right or wrong? Now dhyan se suno. So this part volume is nothing but how much? Well, 20 by 24. Am I right or wrong? Cone parts is 20 by 24, which is nothing but equal to 4 5s are 4 6s are. Am I right or wrong? So I have to make it into volume. 5 by 6 of whole cube. which is nothing but equal to 125 by 216. So you're asked to find out ratio. So there is no need to use the 1232 volume value there. So totally your cone is divided into 216 parts. In those 216 parts, 125 parts is cone part. 125 parts is cone part, and the remaining will be automatically frustrum. 216 minus 125 will be how much? 216 minus 125 will be 91. Am I right or wrong? Calculate this. Yes, it is 91. So frustrum is 91. But this is the ratio there. Enough. There is no common ratio, common factor also to remove. So this is called your frustrum. Answer is done. Done. Exactly. Come to the next point. At a distance of 12 centimeter from the vertex, find the upper radius of the frustrum form. So see here, when you come back to the previous question, observe there, this is your normal radius of the cone. Now see here, will it be the same radius here? No, it will not be the same radius. The radius will decrease. So closely observe there. Radius will increase or decrease with the dependent on height of the cone. So see here, from the vertex, if your height is increasing, your radius of the cone is also increasing. So from base to here, if the height is decreasing, automatically radius of the cone is also decreasing. By this, what can I write down? This question C, height is directly variable to radius. Now you are asked to find out radius of the frustrum formed, it seems. So from the vertex, you have chopped down by 12. Am I right or wrong? Right? Did you got the point there? Yes, perfectly. Now see here. Now the remaining part value is nothing but how much? 12 only, right? 24 not totally. So H1, if the height is 24, your radius is 7. If the height is 12, then what will be the radius? This is the question asked. So 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 7 by 2, R2 value will be 3.5. Did you got my point there? R2 value is 3.5. Hope so you got my point there. Yes. Come to the D part there. Come to D part. Let's see how many can solve this. D at a distance of 4. So I'll do in next page, right? Because so clumsy na. I'll draw the things there. This is a cone. Is your height of the cone. Is your radius of the cone. Radius is given as 7, height is given as 24. What is the question asked? At a distance of 4.8 centimeter from the base. At a distance of 4.8 centimeter from the base. Now this is your 4.8 centimeter now. What is the question asked? Find the slant height of the frustrum form. This is your slant height from the vertex. If your height is increasing, your slant height is also increasing, right? Will be the same slant height? No, it is not constant. So I can say this point, your height is directly variable to slant height. If the height is 24, one second. If the height is 24, then what will be the slant height? First of all, calculate that. So how many of you know the slant height here? Is slant height given there? Now see here, slant height can be calculated by Pythagoras theorem. Am I right or wrong? Is this nothing but called your Pythagoras theorem? Yes, root of 24 square is nothing but equal to 576. And 7 is nothing but 49. Calculate this. Will it be 625? I'm surely it will be 625 here. 625 is nothing but equal to 25. Yes. So if your height is, so I'll write down this one. If your height is 24, your slant height will be 25. Now, how will you, so if your height is 4.8, then what will be the slant height is the question asked, L2. So 24 ones are 24 0.2s are, so L2 value will be 25 into 0.2. This is, hope so you got the point there. Perfect answer. Done. Exactly. Right. Let's focus on our next question there. Now I want you guys to answer this question here. So it might look like mensuration, but it is time and work based question. Try this. Let's see how many can solve this. Let's shift our gear to next type of questions. Forty seconds more. Any answer? Okay, today Pratiksha. You are missing, right? Anshita. Ten seconds more. No answers, right? So see here, a leak in the bottom of a tank can empty it in 6 hours. So it is a negative energy, right? Leak. So a pipe fills in the tank at the rate of 4 liters per minute, it seems. So I'll write down. So A is, I'll take down A as filling pipe. So the data regarding A is, it can fill 14 liters per minute, 4 liters per minute or not. 4 liters per minute, it seems. So did they give the entire data? How much time will it take to fill the entire tank? No, it was not given. Now there is a leak, it seems. I'll take down leak as B, negative energy. Leak data is given there. Yeah, it can empty the tank in 6 hours, it seems. When the tank is full, inlet is open, but due to leak the tank is emptied. Now see here, now A and B both are working. If A and B both are working, is it emptying or filling? It is emptying, it seems. Now tank is emptying in 8 hours. So emptying pipe is working very fine than filling tank, right? Faster than. Sir, what is the capacity of the tank? Sir, how can I find out the capacity of the tank? First of all, I don't know what is the tank capacity. So we can find out tank capacity by LCM method. Let us take down a value which is divisible by 6, 8. Of course, the number will be valid for this condition also. 6, 8, 2 into 3, 2 cube. 8 3s are 24. So I'll take down my tank capacity as 24 units. So I'll write down the efficiency. Efficiency matlab how much it can fill there. Efficiency I'll take down as E. Do you know the efficiency of A? No. Do you know the efficiency of B? Yes, you know. Efficiency, right? In 24 units of tank is emptied in 6 hours. In 1 hour, how much? 4 units. Negative. A and B. 8. Is it 3 units? Yes, 3 units. Now see here, closely observe there. Efficiency is nothing but work done per unit time. Here 1 hour. So in 1 hour, when A and B work together, How much of tank is emptied? 3 minus 3 units of tank is emptied. And you know your B value is minus 4. So what will be your A value? A value will be 1 unit. So finally, I got the efficiency of A. So efficiency of A is 1 unit. And you closely observe there. A can fill 1 unit of tank in 1 hour. 24 units of tank will be filled in how many hours? 24 hours. This is the time there. Now I can find out the capacity of the tank. A in 1 minute can fill 4 liters of the tank. In 1 minute can fill 4 liters of the tank. In 24 hours, I will convert it into minutes. 60 minutes. So how much of tank can be filled? You can easily answer 6 4s are 24. 24s are 576. And there is 1 0 left over. And this is your answer there. 5760 D option. So see, मैंने इतना easy कर दिया, right? Without any hackles, right? Never ever take factors. Never ever take 1 unit. If you take 1 unit, your answers will go into factorization. It might go into quadratic equation also, right? If it is gone into quadratic equation, if the roots cannot be reduced easily, if it becomes a complex quadratic equation, then the question will become messy. Done. So let's solve one more like this time and work. So we didn't solve much of time and work questions previously also in our question series. Try this. The second one, any answer again same. Pipe filling and emptying wala part. Next question also will be time and work here. One of the finest question. Any answer? 3 pipes can fill a reservoir in 10, 15 and 20 hours respectively. The first was opened at 5 a.m., second at 6 a.m., third at 7 a.m. When will the reservoir be filled is the question asked. So let's do like this. I'll take down A, B, C as the pipes. All are filling only. So there is no worry regarding this. A will take 10 hours. B will take 15 hours. C will take 20 hours. Now, do you know the tank capacity? No. Let's find out the tank capacity by using LCM method only. 10 comma 15 comma 20. 10 is nothing but 5 into 2. 15 is nothing but 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5, 6 5s are 30. So 30, this is nothing but 2 square into 5. So I have to take down 2 square. I have to take down 3. I have to take down 5. So 2 square is 4. 15, 60 units. Am I right or wrong? You can calculate it now. 2 into 5, 3 into 5, 2 square into 5. So 2 square into 5 into 3. 4, 5. Am I right or wrong? Done. LCM. Now let me find out the efficiency there for E. Then we'll write down all those things there. So A can fill 6 units of tank. B can fill 4 units of tank. C can fill how much? 3 units of tank in 1 hour. Because everything work done per unit. Chalo. The first was opened at 5 a.m. it seems. Second was opened at 6 a.m. it seems. 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. matlab how many hours? 1 hour. For 1 hour only A worked. So 6 units. Next. Coming to third at 7 a.m. it seems. Second at 6 a.m. 6 to 7 again there will be 1 hour. So I'll write down this as 6 only directly. Okay, fine. Fine. I'll write down as this one. 1 hour. So 6 units plus 4 units. A and B worked. From 7, we don't know for how many hours. So I'll take down for X number of hours. So A, B, C worked. All this must be equal to how much? 60 units of tank. Am I right or wrong? So 6 plus 10, 16. So this is 13. 13x is equal to 60 minus 16 will be how much, ma? 50. Is it 44 units? Yes, it is 44. X is equal to how much? 44 by 13. So this can be written as 13. 3 are 39. 5. So totally counting all these hours, when will the reservoir be filled? Reservoir filling started at 5. So 5, 6, 2 hours. So totally how much time did it take in? 2 plus 3, 5 by 13 hours. So hours. So I have to calculate the time there. Morning 5 a.m. 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, 5 by 13 a.m. Will be your answer there. So Kocham answered this question right. Very good. Excellent here. Excellent. So if you follow LCM method and time and work methodologies, you can solve the question easily. Fatafat here. Again, one more time and work based question. Let's see how many can answer this. One minute more. Any answers for this? The answer for this? 3 pipes A, comma B and C are attached to a cistern. A can fill it in 20 minutes and B in 30 minutes. C is a waste pipe meant for emptying its seats. Okay. So I'll write down one by one. A and B are filling pipes, it seems. A and B are filling pipes. So A can fill it in 20 minutes. B can fill it in 30 minutes, it seems. Okay, fine. C is a waste pipe meant for emptying it. C is a waste, I'll write a negative. Do you know the total time? No, it is not given there. After opening both the pipes A and B, a man leaves the cistern and returns when the cistern should have been just full. Finding, however, that the waste pipe was accidentally left open, he closes it in and the cistern now fills it in 3 minutes, it seems. Okay. Then how much time can C alone can empty the tank is the question asked. Ab dekho, let us find out first of all the tank capacity. I will find out that even though if you don't know this number, automatically this will be helpful, right? I mean, this will be in alignment only. 2 3s are 660 units. Okay, now let us find out the efficiency there. Efficiency of A is how much? 3 units. Efficiency of B is how much? 2 units, and we don't know about C. We have to find out this. And they go here. This watchman, in his mind, he is thinking that only A and B are working. He doesn't know that C is working. So in his mind, when will the tank will get filled? That you have to find out. So in his mind, only A and B are working. So in 1 minute, how much of the tank will be filled if only A and B are worked? 5 units. Total tank is 60 units. So how many minutes will it take? 12 minutes. So he came back after 12 minutes, but the tank was not filled. Now he observed that our waste pipe is open. So he came back after 12 minutes and observed that A, B, C are working there. 3 plus 2 plus C is working there. Now what happened? He stopped C. Now the tank is filled in 3 minutes only. Now in this 3 minutes, who worked? A and B. Now closely observe there. Whatever the tank filled by A and B in those 3 minutes is nothing but the amount of water sucked out by C. Am I right or wrong? So once you stopped C, the tank is filled in 3 minutes. This is the part of the tank which was sucked out by C. Am I right or wrong? How many of you identified this? Will be equal to 60 units. So let's find out this. A and B is nothing but 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 60 plus 6C plus 3 into 3 plus 2, 5. 15 is equal to 60. 60 gets cancelled off. Minus 15 by 6 is equal to C, and which is nothing but equal to 5 by 2 units. Minus 5 by 2 units. Am I right? This is nothing but called your efficiency of C. Efficiency of C is nothing but how much? Minus 5 by 2 units. What is the question asked? When C works alone, how much time will it take to empty the tank is the question asked. In 1 minute, C can empty minus 5 by 2 units of the tank. 60 units of tank can be emptied in. This is what the question asked. So 60 into 2 by 5 is your answer there. 5 ones are 5 12s are. Did I missed out anything there? 24 minutes, but there is no such option there now. Did we miss out anything there? This is not 6C, this is 12C. Calculative error. This is 12C. This is 12C. Now we'll write down. This is 12C na. 15 by 12 na. 15 by 12 is nothing but 5 by 4 na. And this is 5 by 4 na. This is 5 by 4. This is 4. Now your answer will be 48 minutes. So if only C works, C can empty the tank in 48 minutes, and this option is C. Done. So you can easily observe that one also, right? 15 units of tank is emptied by C. This is the logic there. Done. Hope so you got my point there. C option. Let's do the next question. So we'll see this questions little bit later, and we'll solve one. I want this P and C question to be solved by you. Yeah. Looking for your answer. We'll change to other topic there. 40 seconds more. No answer for this. How many even numbers between 20,000 and 40,000 excluding extremes? You should not consider 20,000, you should not consider 40,000. Right, can be formed using with the digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. If any digit can occur any number of times, it seems. Okay. So the numbers what you have with you is 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So the numbers has to start with 20 and 15. So I'll take down this. How many digits there? 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first it has to start with 2. I'll select one way. Now it has to be even number, it seems. This part has to be even number. So even number matlab the number has to end with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So how many chances there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances are there. So remaining part you can use any number of times number, right? So how many numbers are there? 6 numbers are there. Here 6 chances, here 6 chances, here 6 chances. Am I right or wrong? So 6 cube into 5 will be the answer there here. Coming to next one, it has to be star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3, 20,000, 30,000 numbers. 1. It has to be even number, so automatically the number has to be 5. Now it is 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. Am I right or wrong? So again 6 cube into 5. Automatically what will be the number there here? 6 cube is nothing but 216. 216 into 10. It is 2160. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 2160. Now closely observe there, in this number, in this set, 20,000 is included now. How many of you identified this? In this set 20,000 is included. So I have to remove that number there because you should not take any extreme values there according to the question there. So my answer will be 2159 and the option number D will be satisfied there. How many of you got this answer there? Exactly. Let's do one more question here. This question will do it. Done. 2 minutes. Try this. Any answer for this? Sheetal invites 10 of her friends for lunch and places 5 of them at a round table and the remaining at another round table, it seems here. So, okay. First of all, Sheetal's party has two round tables. This is one round table and this is one round table. 10 members came to her party. So what she has done, she has selected out of 10, 5 members and 5 members to this table, and automatically remaining 5 members will be to this table there. How many chairs are there? 5 chairs are there. Everybody know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the first person on this table can be seated in how many ways? One way. Everybody knows circular permutations. This will be 4 factorial. Now this will be seated in 4 factorial ways. So finally, what will be the answer? Clubbing all those things. 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial will be 5 factorial whole square. This is initial sending them, and again 4 factorial arrangement on one table and 4 factorial arrangement on one table. By this, what can we say? Did you got the option as B? Perfectly got the option as B. So we will be solving some more questions. How are the questions today? What is the quality? So Saket can be so happy regarding this, right? So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. You can share my free classes with your friends, and you can join those free classes by unlocking with my code NLN10. And these are the prices for plus, and of course we have a special offer for you, right? So this 4 days, 27, 28, 29, 30, whomsoever subscribes to Unacademy, it is valid for all the subscriptions. You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. And these are the prices for iconic. On this prices also you will be getting 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. And there is 0 EMI facility also. Those who are aiming it to study perfectly, you can use that facility. And see, I will be forwarding my I'm forwarding my notes, DPPs and quizzes. I'm interacting with you on the community features. You can ask me any doubt regarding your preparation in this community features. And yes, those who are aiming at only test series, yes, you can go with this Unacademy Lite subscription where you will be getting DPPs, mock tests and full length test series. If you have any doubt regarding your subject, to clear your doubt, you need not wait for anyone. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Click the picture of that question, crop it and upload in doubts and solutions section of the app or website. Select your preferred language, get the video solution within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. And yes, do try to join my special class where I'm dealing campus placement strategy sessions, interview prep, right? Now 3 p.m. Today 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m., tomorrow 3 p.m. We have so many strategy sessions. So do try to join there. And yes, please do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes, right? Of all the educators. And yes, do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? So request, subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from Telegram groups and community groups, right? Hit the bell icon to get the updates. And have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.